Hey everyone, today I'm starting this video from a beautiful garden right by the sea. Just look at this view, the palm trees, the greenery, the waves in the background. It feels peaceful, doesn't it? Now here's a question for you. Do you know where this garden by the sea is located? Can you guess which beach this is? If not, don't worry, I'll share all the details in just a few seconds. Let's explore it together. The sunlight is soft and bright, gently lighting up the sea, while a cool sea breeze flows in from the water. The palm trees sway quietly, and the flowering plants add color and freshness to the surroundings. This garden is beautifully maintained with clean walkways, trimmed lawns, and vibrant flowering plants lining the paths. Morning walkers and joggers move past with relaxed energy, starting their day on a healthy note. A few couples sit comfortably on the cement benches under the shade, quietly enjoying the breeze and the sea view. Friends, this is Silver Beach. So friends, I'm at Silver Beach now. Silver Beach in Juhu. This is the northern extension of Juhu Beach, and you can already feel the difference. There's a beautiful garden right here, the sea in front of us, and such calm and positive vibes. Amazing. This beach is about just 2 kilometers from the main Juhu Beach area, but it feels like a completely different world. While the main beach is usually crowded and noisy, this side is much more peaceful. You won't see long rows of food stalls here, which makes it perfect if you just want to relax and enjoy the sound of the waves. And you can see some kind of sea bridge coming up over there, which is the upcoming Versova Bandra Sea Link. You can see the construction is in full swing. This is Versova Bandra Sea Link, and I don't know how long it will take to complete, but once it is ready, this stretch of sea will look completely different. And what we are seeing as construction today will soon become a major lifeline, connecting suburbs, cutting down travel time and transforming the daily commute for thousands of people. And this is another interesting sight here. You can see hundreds of pigeons just hanging around, flying back and forth. It adds so much life to the place, especially with the sea breeze and the open sky. They are all around. Now let's take a final look at this beautiful beach before moving on to our next destination. Of course, you'll get an amazing sunset view here. The garden, the palm trees, the greenery, and the star hotels here. These are star hotels. All come together to create a beautiful atmosphere. I just came through one of the many exit points here. There are multiple entry and exit points to the beach, and which makes it very accessible. And now it's time to head to my next favorite spot. And you can see this hotel here, No Hotel, and this is my landmark to enter the beach. And this is the ISKCON temple here in Juhu. ISKCON stands for International Society for Krishna Consciousness, one of the most peaceful and spiritually uplifting places in this part of Mumbai. ISKCON temple. And this is one another temple here, just bang opposite of ISKCON temple, Sri Mukteshwar Devalaya. There are several temples in this area. This is Sri Mukteshwar Devalaya, opposite ISKCON temple. The lanes here, the lanes of Juhu, are stunning, shaded by tall trees and high-end residential buildings. There's a calm sense of luxury in the air. It's one of Mumbai's most
popular and sought after neighborhoods. Juhu has always been known for its prime location, sea views and high-end lifestyle. You can see hundreds of uber luxurious buildings here. And since we are already in Juhu, let's check out what's happening at the main Juhu Beach before moving on to other locations, other spots. Okay, so I'm at the main Juhu Beach now.
As I expected, it's really crowded. Whether it's morning or evening, this has to be the busiest beach in Mumbai. You can clearly feel the energy and vibe here. Even with the afternoon sun shining brightly, people continue to flock to this beach. There are various boat rides here, and that is one of the reasons it's so crowded. People are always looking for entertainment, especially youngsters and children who love beaches with lots of fun activities. The vibe here is really electric. People don't mind whether it's afternoon or evening as long as they are enjoying the surroundings. Now let's take a closer look at these boats. They are small with flags fluttering at the front. Each one has a capacity of around 5 to 8 people at a time. I'm not sure if they are cramming in more people, but if they are, that would make sailing really risky. And there is such a great energy here.
And now it's time to head to my next favorite spot in the suburbs of Mumbai, in the Mumbai suburbs, Bandstand in Bandra. I'll take a bus from here to Santa Cruz rail station, take a train to Bandra, then hop on another bus to reach Bandra Bandstand. So are you ready? If I get the right bus to Bandra from here, it's better, but I don't think so. Let's try.
Now I finally reached Santa Cruz. Oh my goodness, this train is packed right now. It's peak hour.
I made to Bandra station and the time is 6:15. I don't think I'll be able to catch the sunset now. But anyway, let's take a bus from here to Bandstand.
My bus is passing through Hill Road Market now. I have shown this market in some of my earlier videos. Bandra Hill Road is one of Mumbai's most popular street shopping hubs. It's especially famous for trendy clothes, budget fashion, footwear, accessories and street style finds that attract college students and young shoppers. You'll see everything from small roadside stalls to branded outlets lined up along the road. It's the kind of place where you can bargain hard and walk away with great deal. After about half an hour, I have now reached the bandstand area. The bus was moving very slowly because of the heavy crowds at the market. This area, Bandstand in Bandra, is one of the most popular hangout spots, especially among youngsters. And do you know why is it called bandstand? The name comes from the old British era tradition of having a bandstand, which was a raised platform where military or police bands performed live music for the public. And in this area there used to be an actual bandstand structure where bands played music for residents and visitors. And over time, even though the original structure disappeared, the name stayed. From here, you can also see the upcoming Versova Bandra Sea Link taking shape in the distance. Even though the sun has already set, it will take some time before the sky turns completely dark. The rocky coastline, now silhouetted against the fading light, is one of the biggest attractions here. People sit on the rocks, enjoying the evening breeze, watching the last traces of sunset, and clicking selfies and photographs. The horizon slowly transforms into a canvas of blended colors. You can hear the evening call to prayer from a nearby mosque. The promenade is beautiful and wide enough to accommodate a large number of people who come here for walking and jogging, regardless of the time or weather. There are several beautification features around, including landscape gardens, neatly paved pathways, decorative lighting, seating areas, and artistic installations that enhance the overall charm of the place.
So that's all for now. I'm signing off. Please check out my video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. EST. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.